saw some crazy sights. The first stop was Joe's on the basement floor. What used to be Joe's ain't Joe's no more. We started cat scratching. We started cat scratching. Blind as a bat, but still didn't want to go home. My gal got upset and we had to leave that place. Talking about scratching was a bad disgrace. I quit my friends and went to Mabel's for a sip. I don't have to tell you what happened on that trip. We started cat scratching. We started cat scratching. Blind as a bat, but still didn't want to go home. Old Elmo cried, let's do 'em up again. But all the action fell on my lady friend. Lulu was beating up her chops and talking back. She sang out some jive my chick didn't like. They started cat scratching. They started cat scratching. Blind as a bat, but still didn't want to go home. One of our friends out on the very next fling. Gave him up and I heard that jailhouse ring. I ran downtown to the judge and asked him what did he do. He said he's crawling around Main Street like a tiger in a zoo. He started cat scratching. He started